All right, so let's start with number 10. First, I see I got 15, 27, and 18. Definitely, if you know the times tables and you know what it goes into, then just do that, right? But in case you don't, I just want to go through with the calculator, at least for 2 examples on how we find the GCF using the calculator, okay? 15, 27, and 18. So let me just get that pulled up. And let me get my detached screen. All right. So again, can anybody tell me that remembers from yesterday what we pressed if I want the GCF of 2 numbers? Yes, Kiana? Uh-huh. Math. I move to the right.
Oh, yeah. That's 9.
Then I press 9.
You put 15.
Put my first number 15. Comma. Where's the comma always? Above? Good. 50. Comma above 7. And then 27. So I do that. I press enter. I get 3. Now I'm going to do the same process again. Math. Move to the right. Press 9. And then now I'm going to put, what am I going to put in there? I'm going to put the same 3 that I got from the previous one. And my last number, which is 18.
18.
Yeah, my last number is 18. And I put that in there. And that's the difficult part. So we got the 3. Cool. So now that we got the 3, I'm going to go ahead and just put my 3 here. And then now I start asking myself questions. Do all 3 terms have an X?
Yeah.
They do, right? So what's the lowest X available? What's the lowest exponent? So 3X squared. Do all 3 terms have a Y? And what's the lowest Y available? So Y2 is definitely going to be part of my GCF. Is that clear? So we follow the same concept, 12, 9, and 18. I'm going to do it one more time, and then after that, we can just do it from our minds if we know it. But let's do it one more time with the calculator. So I'm doing 12, 9, and 18. So again, I'm doing math, move to the right, then I'm going to press 9. Then I'm going to put in my first 2 numbers, 12, comma, 9, enter. This gives me back 3. Then I'm going to do math. I'm going to move to the right. I'm going to press 9. And then I'm going to go ahead and put in 3, comma, and then I'm going to put, the 3 came from here, and then now I'm going to put my third number, which was also 18. And then I press enter one more time. And this gives me back 3. So I know my GCF is going to be 3. And then now, do all terms have an A? What's the lowest exponent? Do all terms have a C? No, the middle one doesn't, right? So do I include C? So I stop right there. That's my GCF. Next one, 28, 14, and 21. Does anybody know that GCF? Not 1, it's 7. Mm-hmm. Good. Now, for 12, do all terms have an X?
Yeah.
What about the last one? It doesn't have an X. Do all terms have a Y? So what's my GCF? That's it. That's it. Next one. 28, 24, 9. My GCF here is going to be 1. Well, at least my coefficient GCF. Now, do all terms have an A? Do all terms have a B? Do I need to check for anything else? My GCF is just 1. Y'all with me on this?
Yes.
All right, cool. Then next one. I got 42, 18, and 7. What's the GCF of these? Just 1. Then,
14?
yeah, for 14, between 42, 18, and 7.
5.
Do all terms have an X? Do all terms have a Y? So the GCF is just, is that clear? 15, 28, 14, and 18. The GCF is going to be 2. And again, if you didn't know that off the top of your head, go through the calculator, math to the right 9, you do it a few times. Do all terms have an A? Okay, so then what's the lowest exponent?
3.
Mm-hmm. Do all terms have a B? What's the lowest exponent? B squared. Do all terms have a C? What's the lowest exponent? That's it. Does it make sense? Can I get a volunteer who's going to guide me through number 16 today?
Me.
Go ahead. Kiana 16, Josephine 17, Aaron 18. Josephine, you got the next one. She got this one. Yeah, you got 16. Josephine 17, Aaron 18. No, you got 17. She got 16. Go ahead.
Then.
I I do that for 17 and let her do 16 if she got it already. So do that now for 17.
Okay.
You have 16 already? Cool.
All the terms got two. And the lowest for A and two.
Good. Now two. Just C. So she used the lowest exponent for each letter since they all shared all three letters. Okay. 17.
21.
Okay.
X to the third. Y. And yeah,
That's it. Tell us why you did not include Z.
because this, not all of them have Z.
The middle term didn't have Z. Does that make sense? Aaron, 18. Got it. Do all terms have any other B? Okay. So do I include anything else? Stops right there. Stop right there. Has to be common. 19. Come on, you got it? Yep. 1. Good. 1 what? C. Good. All terms didn't have an A, all terms didn't have a B, but they all did have a C, and that was the lowest exponent. Okay, last one. Any volunteer? 36, 20, 35 is going to be 1. Do all terms have an A? Do all terms have a B? So I'm finished. If you know how to do this chart, when you take the quiz, you already have 50%. Because 50% is know how to find a GCF. The next part now is going to be how to divide it out, which we'll do next.